honeys, it's Ams and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today's video, I am partnered with Gorgius Hair. This is the Fantasy Wet and Wavy True Scalp Bang Wig, and it has HD lace right here in the center, so it gives you that really realistic look. I love that, and as you can see, it matches my complexion pretty well, so I'm not going to put any product on that. And I'm going to show you the construction right quick. You can see the lace in the center, and then you see the cap. It's a medium cap size. Also, it has a band, so we are in luck. So this is a pretty tight band that's awesome with the adjustable straps, and of course the 3 clips. What I like about Bang wigs is that it's so convenient. Like for anyone who has to be up early, you don't feel like, you know, styling your wig, you don't feel like laying your lace, this is the way to go. You can always just pop these on. Nice snug fit, that's perfect. I have no product in this hair. I literally just took it out the box and put it on. So I haven't even co-washed it. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks in its most natural state. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm actually gonna comb out one side and I'm gonna straighten it for you guys and show you guys what it looks like. I just love a wig that is so versatile. Like, you want to be able to do multiple things with your wigs. Can these curls really bounce back, or will it be heat damaged? You see how full this hair is? Like, it is so full. I'm gonna go ahead and clip back this side. Okay, so let's start out with a piece. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this whole side and show you guys after I finish. You just saw me do this. I didn't even do small sections, like when I was straightening it. I didn't even expect this. I didn't. If you straighten it in smaller sections, no telling what results you're about to get. I'm just saying. So for my ladies who love a versatile look and they need hair that can straighten, curl, whichever, this hair is for you. So let's see how it reverts. Let's see. And since I did not define this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this side too. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my Lotta Body Mousse. I like to apply a generous amount. This is a good sign about a pop back with the curls. Anytime the ends start curling, yeah, we got something. We got something there. Doesn't even look like this was straightened on this side at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my diffuser because I want to dry my hair a little bit quicker. But also when my hair is 75 to 80% dry, I'm gonna use my t-shirt again and scrunch the hair because I want my curls to be nice and bouncy. So I got my hair to about 80% dry. So I'm gonna go back and use my t-shirt again just to scrunch, a little final scrunch. It really helps with the curls spiraling. And can you believe that I straightened this side and it bounced back? It looks so natural. This really looks like my scalp. So this wig feels so comfortable on my head. I mean, it is like a get up and go type of wig. I mean, you have the bang, like I told you. You don't have to worry about a whole lot of maintenance. One thing I will say is that when you are going between straight and curly, you will pick up a little bit more shedding. That's not bad. It wasn't bad at all. With any curly hair, you will have some shedding. It feels so soft. It's lightweight. It's super bouncy. I really am obsessed with the fact that I straightened this. As you see, it's bounced all the way back. These curls are intact. They look good. You're like, you would never know that I straightened this.